Ciao, good morning to everybody. I would like to firstly introduce myself. My name is Fabio, and together with the other professionals, I founded the Edge company. Before doing that, I was servicing in the Italian Air Force as a fighter pilot for almost 25 years, and among other duties, I was appointed as Chief of Flight Safety at my wing. At the Edge company, we developed groundbreaking artificial intelligence solution for the aerospace sector. The startup was born around the project BCMS Ventur, a bird and drone detection system based on artificial intelligence capable of enhancing flight safety and at the same time lower the costs related to the bird strike. A phenomenon that cost about 1.2 billion per year to the air transport industry and causes the loss of up to 500,000 flight hours every year. Ventur is an innovative system that not only monitors the space of interest, but is capable of classifying obstacles. And in case of birds, it is even able to determine the bird species at range with a detection and tracking true positive rate of 96%. This greatly increases flight safety and reduces environmental impact. In addition, operational costs to manage wildlife issues are reduced by 40% compared to current methods. But Ventur is not only dedicated to airports. It can be used to keep birds away from wind farms, city squares or malls, and guarantee critical infrastructure protection from drone incursion. We have been accelerated in France by the camp, and we got in touch with Thales through business fronts. With Thales, we have also carried out a POC demonstrating the ability of our algorithm to detect moving obstacle from a moving camera at range. As a logical conclusion, Ventur X was born as an airborne evolution of our ground-based system. With such a system, we clearly target the urban air mobility, where there is an absolute need of effective and green obstacle detection system to guarantee the required level of safety for the autonomous aircraft operating in the U-space that will shortly fly directly over our head. As designed, the urban air mobility will be highly automated and unscheduled. In both cases, you must have an effective and green obstacle detection system to ensure an adequate air traffic management, both for safety reasons and to avoid poisoning the U-space with unnecessary electromagnetic pollution. Each vehicle equipped with Ventur X will turn itself in a mobile sensor capable of broadcasting in real time a dynamic obstacle picture, where, among obstacles, you have to consider traffics as well. This will empower an effective and automated air traffic management. Hypothetically, in 3 to 5 years' time, low-altitude flights will start crowding city skies, and the urban air mobility will take off in the true sense of the word. Thus, Ventur X won't just be another sensor to enhance effective, timely, and safe sense and avoidance strategies, but will be an essential component of a more complex and groundbreaking digital architecture to safely manage the U-space. But at the Edge company, we want to limit ourselves to the urban airspace. At the Edge company, we are already thinking about the next space missions. Spacecraft, mooncraft will probably be high automated, thus we require such a system. In the end, we strongly believe in networking approach. The time ahead looks like to be more and more complex. Regardless being a multinational entity or a little startup, we can only reach this new reality by working together through cooperation. We have the honor already to work with Thales at the POC, and we are AI solution partner of Lenovo and NVIDIA, and we are Bosch security division partner too. Yes, at the Edge company, we are firmly convinced that the strength of ideas doesn't relate to the dimension of your organization. I thank you.